gentlemen, welcome to Jay's Hilltop Garage, where today we're having a humongous mess in the garage. Let me get to the video. Okay, so, I'm sorry, I do apologize for not having any videos lately. I've just been, well, truth be known, I've been doing everything but YouTube videos because I haven't done really anything that would be for YouTube. I've just been messing around with some stuff around here. Nothing really I would have to put on YouTube, so that's why I haven't had one in a while. I apologize. But as you all know, well, for homeschoolers, it's getting close to getting out of school again. And, so I'll have a whole lot more videos. Spring and summer's coming. Go back to work with Pa. The garage is a total disaster. And the Sears isn't running. Got to replace the starter gear, but I got to get the whole starter because it's cheaper. I think I zoomed in. Nope, okay. Oh, look! Junk sale. Anything $1 off. How much is everything? $1,000 a piece. That's one way to keep all your junk. To you, the new Jay's Hilltop Garage welding setup. Voila! I am totally organizing this garage. I'm getting the hang of this thing. Cleaned out my toolbox. Fifth time. Zip tied a little hook up here so I could put the extension cord for my wire welder because I haven't got, outlets over here yet. Zip tie a paper towel holder up here to hold the paper towel up. Move the cabinet over to here. Open her up. In this storage compartment, I keep the wire and tip for my tips for the wire welder. And then I keep all the electrodes down here for the stick welder. And then down here, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this yet, but I'll definitely find a use for it. Something else Pa gave me that was going to go to the trash when I wanted it. I gotta move this to somewhere safer. This is just here. Got a humongous space here now. The welding cart's in there. The engine is gonna go probably over there. The other one. Yes, the John Deere's not running. I'll do another video about that later on if I get a chance. But here in this space between these two pieces of equipment, I have a new piece of equipment. Well, I don't have it yet, and I haven't ordered it yet. But I'm gonna be ordering a new piece of equipment to go in the shop. And then there's going to be another piece of equipment there where that is. So things are going to be a little bit better. Or at least hopefully, as far as I know, everything's good. It is electronic. Well, plugs in. So I don't think I have anything to worry about. I think that the outlets and everything I have will work. Or extension cords, all that junk. And yeah, I've just been really busy. I got this done yesterday. Plus I went to work a little bit later in the evening and got back here and did this later. But as you can see, I mean, that's over. I did move the stuff over a little kind of to Pa's side of the garage because this is where my side is, and I moved the stuff so it's in line exactly. But actually everything works out pretty good right here through here doing this. Got my trash can set up. I kind of don't like where it's at because it kind of blocks out a little bit. So this may end up moving, and I may put some metal stock in here. In the trash can, well, that's why, I don't know where it's going to go, so. But that bench is going to the trash. That table's going to the trash, and I'm getting a whole new table set up. All the toys on the shelf are going off, and the entire shelf system's going to the dump. And I got a desk over there. That, depending on how I get the garage set up, it's going to the dump too, possibly. Well, I'll keep the metal off of it. And then my airbrush setup thing, a majigger, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably going to keep that, but I'm probably going to get rid of the setup I have, and I'm just going to build a better work table, me and Pa are, that goes almost over to where the chop saw is, but it's not because I'm going to move the chop saw right about here where the toys are, and I'm just going to build one long bench that goes all the way across, and I'll probably stop it where that one stops, so they got a little bit of room in there for some stuff. Alright everybody, I'm back. It's not nighttime. Got this in, well, kind of cleaned up. I got all this stuff here to put back. Some of the stuff's probably going, well, yeah, some of it may end up going to the dump, to be honest. And then, like I said, I'm going to get some new tables set up, which means some of the stuff's going to be on shelves and stuff. Ain't won't be nothing to worry about. Got the old work tables on here. Don't need them anymore. Anyway, it's kind of heartbreaking. But, I mean, they served me well in their time, so time for something new. I'm going to do next is box all this stuff up. Alright everyone, I'm back. I got most of my junk cleaned up. Got all my equipment here. The gas tanks are here because I had to get them out the sun. And I still got some junk out here to get up. But as far as this side goes, I gotta take that away from this side. And see if Granny wants this stuff. But anyhow, got everything over here. You know, it pays to be the type of person I am. What's that? Junk collector. How's it pay for itself, my friend? Well, let me tell y'all. You never know how much junk you can save. That's the advantage of it. Cleaning up is a whole nother story. Oh yes, and if any of you work for OSHA or are government related, I did something to make everyone happy. This way I'm not liable for any damages. So, just so everyone knows, there's a high voltage sign. Therefore, do not stick your fingers in that plug, and don't stick your fingers in the plug when that one's plugged in. Okay, now that everything's been pretty obvious. I love making jokes. Got this mess to clean up. I do have to go to Harbor Freight before I clean this stuff up. I don't know why I said Tractor Supply. I'm thinking of some other stuff. Anyway, gotta haul some more junk out of here. I wish I didn't have all this junk. Okay, so I'm going to admit it. Okay, so I have a little too much junk. Don't tell anybody I admitted that. I got a little leftover steel. When it's nighttime, I finished up my garage. And this is epic. Really epic. So what does this mean, ladies and gentlemen? It means my old truck has a new home, and I can still have a welding shop. So, keep this beautiful looking truck in here. At nighttime and during the day, she rolls out, and I unfold my weld shop. Because I'm going to have all the tables over there. Now, I am probably going to have to move out the, what do you call it? The garden tractor and the ATV. Move them out of here somewhere else, which I may not. It's probably not gonna be too much of a problem. But I know it kind of sounds like, oh, that's cruel. No, keep a truck in the garage versus keeping a truck outside. See which one has a better lasting paint, which one rusts less, and if you can work on it, like in bad weather. Well, here's another plus: you don't have to worry about locking your truck door because it's in a locked up garage. And there's still plenty of walking space. I'll demonstrate. You know, just come walking around here, just da-da-da. Here, I'll show you. This is human width. Yeah, everything fits in here. And see, pretty much this is set up the way I want it, except for the workbenches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And share this video with someone else. I don't know how it works, but there's this thing now where you can hit the share button, and you can share it with somebody. I don't know how it works. I've never done it. But, yeah, I'd really appreciate it if y'all share videos. And maybe drop down in the comments below what you think of my cleanup. And now I can keep my truck in the garage. Alrighty, I'll see y'all probably next week. Maybe this week, because I'm done with the garage, but I may see you again. Alright, thanks for watching.